Hi, I'm Anna Lundin from Research.
And I'm Thomas Carter from VisionRT.
And we're here today to present a joint project that we are to release.
So, the first part of this project is actually a new product from VisionRT. And the product is called MapRT. MapRT takes an entire 3D surface of the patient plus all accessories captured in SIM and combines it with a 3D model of the linac and the couch. This allows us to form a geometric model of all of the possible clearances and collisions inside the treatment vault. Those clearances are shown on a clearance map, which you see here, with all of the possible couch angles and gantry angles. The red areas here are the areas where there is a collision for a certain couch and gantry combination. We pass that information over to RayStation to help with the planning process.
So Research believes that if we can have this information available in RayStation, we can create better treatment plans. So what we can see here in RayStation is the clearance map from VisionRT. And what we can do is that we can immediately in RayStation provide collision checks on the created beams. What we also can do going forward is we can use this in planning. The first step is a manual assessment, where you can find new couch kicks to use in your treatment plan to improve the dosimetry. And if we move into plan evaluation, we can compare this plan where we've utilized the space that we know of from VisionRT into comparing that with the treatment plan where we have used standard treatment beams. So if we move into plan evaluation, we can see that if we compare a plan that we have used using just your standard beam setup with a plan that is created using the knowledge of VisionRT, with which couch kick we can use, we can see that with preserved target coverage, we can spare the risk organ to much more extent just by allowing ourselves to add a single couch kick into this plan. We really look forward to build further upon this collaboration, to be able to utilize all this information into our automated plan creation processes and plan optimizations.
And we look forward to bringing this solution together for you and your patients.